Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, sir. My name is Rida Islam. My ID is 235579773. Today, I will be presenting my design for an automated metro platform safety system developed by and design digital logics circuit course. This presentation was inspired by a real world metro system in Dhaka, where only 10 passengers are allowed on the platform at a time. To achieve this design logic based control system using counter, FSM, timer and converter. This presentation I divide seven parts. First of all, one introduction and problem statement. Second, system block diagram. Third, final state machine design. Fourth, alarm logic circuit. Five, triple five timer IC. And six, DAC output analysis. And seven, finally, limitation. Introduction and problem statement. The core problem are we are addressing is safety. In a busy metro system, overcrowding on the platform is major hazard. My design system ensure that no more than 10 passengers are allowed on a platform at any given time, with a hard daily limit 20 ticket issue. The system must be detected passenger, count them, control access gate and trigger an alarm if more than three people cross these entries line simultaneous. System block diagram. Here is the high level architecture of the system. The processing begin with RFID sensor that detect passenger ticket and this analog signal to convert to digital by ADC for processing. The heart of the system of synchronous counter that keep the real time passenger count. A finite state machine use on this counter control the state of gates. And finally in an alarm unit defined by a triple five timer achieved by a under a specific condition. Mm, finite state machine design and the logic of this gate operate in governed by FSM in ideal state of system with a activity upon sensor trigger moves to check the verified ticket. If the counter below 10 passenger in daily ticket limited has been reached by the FSM transition open allow entries on this platform are full or 10 ticket limit is uh, signed by and done signal from this counter FSM close shunt of gates eventually a remarkable ideal alarm logic circuit. A critical safety features is the simultaneous crossing alarm. The condition is simply triggered the alarm if more than three passenger across one for 4 beat counter. The signified simplified expression to detect a matching is MSB high and list of this beat high. This expression then implement is universal NAND gate to create a simple circuit gate. Triple five timer IC output established the alarm when is needed. Triple five circuit diagram. This clock of this ensure system and granted by triple five in stable mode based on my student ID. Calculate its value 165 hertz. However, uh, this was outside and the required 250 to 4 4500 range. I defected by standard 400 hertz 400 hertz, and my duty cycle is 67%. After calculating the required resistor value, is three different capacitor is selected on um, 50 50 microfarad capacitor. DAC output analysis. The communicating with the control room, the design passenger count, the converted and analog voltage using a 4-bit decade with a reference voltage 5 volt. The output of calculated using a standard formula. For 5 passenger binary 10101, the output voltage is minus 6.25 volt. For 10 passenger binary code 1010, and output is minus 12.5 volt. The provide a linear receptionist by passenger count from remote monitoring. System limitation. While functional, this design was several key limitation, uh, such as sensor reliability, limited resolution, no error handling, lack of manual override, power dependency. And finally, conclusion part. Uh, in in conclusion, this system successfully um, im- embeds digital logic circuit FSM design, counter, DAC, ADC, and timer IC, create a practical metro safety solution. It it demonstrates how design and logic principle applied to solve a real world engineering problem. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir.